Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my lovely people. Happy Sunday. Hope you people are doing well. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. I greet you now. I greet you now with love. Help me to share if you can do. Okay? May we talk a little bit. Also, not they fine. My people are not to take on our time like that, Not to take on our time. Maybe just I want just talk a little bit about some people, about some of our women. What did they do for this Europe? Consign their children with their baby father. The way they say they do. It's very bad, The way they say they do is very, very bad. My people, it get waiting happen, I don't want just measure anybody name or it get waiting I want just talk about. Now waiting person just explain to me. I was like, oh my God, so this thing they happen, especially those women. I beg, me I come beg una, not be say nah, not be quarrel. If you know say you with your man, una don't separate una gari. I beg, not put your children for his side, all right? Not put your pikin for his side. Because you feel say maybe you want this as I talk, you want show the man say now you now get power for abroad. You want tell am say now you now be Alpha no Omega. Sister, may I tell you one thing. That thing where you they tell your man say may not see your children, it they affect the children. Not be only the man alone. It still they affect those children. Because you feel they think say, they affect them, then they okay with you. No, my sister, not be so. When I not say children, they not they talk. Everything that they keep on for inside their brain. The thing go they worry them. And you go the thing say you they show the man, go show you. These children, see them. If they grow, maybe they'll come find you. If they not find you now, sister, it's not good. You they damage your own children. You they damage your own children. Because many people, they pass through problem for this abroad. Especially those one where they Germany. I don't know why it be like that. I don't know why it be like that. When go be say, maybe now you with your husband, now two of you now say, okay, now I go that side, I know they know what it can they happen, whether now the money now it can they cause and where some women can they misbehave, I don't know. Whether now the money whether they give them for say, as a single mother, they can they misbehave. Especially when children they for inside. It they very bad. It they very, very bad. When go be say, you can't take over. That because the children and the government, they will give them to you. But because of that power, you can't do an excess. You know what made the man come to see the children. You know go want. But you the thing say you they do something where they good. Now better thing you they do. Not be better thing oh. Not be better thing. Because normally na man with woman they born pikin. Not be only woman they born na Because some women they sabi talk this thing, they go say, now my children. Not be only you want born na two of una na born na. Because it's supposed to be say now 50-50. As you get right, now so this one get right. But I don't know why some women come they do one. They'll come they do and say now only they not get the right. Now only they get the right to do everything because of her blood, because of the money where they want give them. You can't forget about that is the problem where you want give those children, because you they give them problem, you know. Because you're the thing say maybe they do better thing. This one go to those women where they do that thing. Even though you with your man not dey gay, I beg sister, me I dey beg una. Mona they allow una man, make them go they see their children. It dey very, very important. No matter what thing go happen between you and that man, that one and two of una, you no get wetin to do with those children, because it they affect them well. If they affect them, you feel the thing say no, they affect nothing, then they okay, na lie. Because you want divide that love where they get for their father. You want cut them off. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. Think about your children. Say this thing that they pass through and say this thing will affect them, because some women they know they think about it and say go affect them. They just they do and say I want you to suffer the man. I want you to suffer now, so you not go see your children. If you not see your children, maybe na go for her. As na go for her, na so it still be for your children. You don't know the same thing. Na make some children they come they misbehave for school. They know they read well. They know they do as their other children they do when they see papa see mama. Because if you go look at now only you one, now go they go school, go they pick am. Now only you one, now go they carry and go school. If father not there because of say you want me the man not near una, you don't need that man for your life. If you don't need that for your life, problem not there. But those children they need the father for their life. They need them. This one, our women, they too much, they do all these things because of benefits. I don't know. It's very bad. More than they think about your children, think about your children. It's very important. The way where they want to grow, it's in your hand. If they grow well, it's in your hand. If they don't grow well, it's still there in our hands. Now the truth of the matter. Why you not go allow a papa come see him? Because they give you that power for your hands. You can't use an excess. You don't want make the man come because you don't need the man for your life. So you don't even need the man. Maybe you even need the pikin because you can't they talk say now only you want born. Not be only you want born. Now two person they born pikin. One person don't feel born pikin. There's some women they don't carry and say now only then I born. You go say anywhere where you like, maybe they go. I go now. Let me one. I go. They do everything. I don't need you for my life, my sister. If you don't need that for your life, problem not there. The children they need their father. They need their father. Now so they still need their mother. If you with the man not get, if you with her, you don't want get anything to do with her. Okay, good and fine. More than not just quarrel. Take do one. Sit down. Mona talk to each other. Say, okay, now 7 days a week, 9 days. Maybe 3 times for your side, 4 times for my side. Una go do and the way, if the man they work, the way one out take do and say, you go sweet. Those children, they go even they enjoy them. Then go they enjoy them. Then once you don't they against the man, you don't they tell the children about the father, it's not good. Because some women they sabi and well. They sabi. You can't see the children when they can't see their father. I get the way when they can't say they do. Even the question when they ask their father, say the man go shock, say, why they ask me all these things? Go say, no, I just want me I ask you. You know, say mama don't put something for your head. You know, say something don't they head. You go say maybe I just say me I just ask you now. True, I've been at this. But now no say small children they lie. When they ask you questions, you they think say maybe now somebody now he put her for now he tell now say go ask your father. No, he don't know what he want ask. And all this one also go to men also. Some men, when he with his wife don't get misunderstanding, with that vaccination, go put am for the children body also say, I no wan get anything to do with you, with the children. You go dey vex. I no know wetin concern children for his side. More than the reason before now they do something. Those children, they no be the cause problem between two of una. No be the same more than them misunderstanding. One and not they use una brain, one and can't they put on our children, because if you see this one, with this one where they talk, so now like now something will happen to somebody. We no want may come out. The man no want. For good 2 years, I be 3 years, he never see children. For good 3 years, he never see children. Not be saying they America now. Now the same country he with his ex-wife there. But the wife say lie, you no go see your children. The man don't they write letter, go they give judge everything, you know. When if the woman reject her, what did they go fit do? Now not say every country get their own law. I don't know the way Germany take they do their law for that side. Because everybody get their own way. When they, no say all na Europe, this one na Europe, this side na Europe, but they still get different thing where they different. How man go stay without three years, he never see your children? He not go fit even talk for phone, say hello, I want to speak with my children. Why? When I don't forget that time when I tell they play. The thing they affect the children. But you the thing say maybe not they affect. They affect them. Why you want where the love, where the man get for children, make the love just go like that? Because this love, they build down. You go they build down every blessed day. Maybe your birthday, your father go buy something. Oh, see this one, my daddy buy and come. And us, our children, they talk for school. They get their friends. They get people where they talk to say, see what my daddy give me for Christmas. The other one go tell and say, hey, my daddy, I don't get daddy. Oh, my daddy not they bring anything come for my birthday. You know, all these things is not good. If you not see them, not think now they damage your children. Hey, I greet you, my beautiful sister, Esther Tosh Show, one love sister. I greet you. So if they damage, sit down, may you think and say, what here they do so? Because I don't want the mind again. I can't they use until they punish my children. Because some women don't know, say not true, say then they punish their children. Eh? Then they punish their children. Because the children don't tell you, say, mommy, this thing what you they do is not good. No, you go keep on for inside brain. You go come the warrior. Now you go come see, say, sometimes now they know they know, if they day school, you get as they say they do. Then the teacher come call, say, what did they happen? You say, nothing they happen. Now that thing and they worry for brain. Because he need the father. As he need you as a mother, now so he still need the father also. Now the truth of the matter. I know say some women, they get that mind, say, what did that man do me? I must show you. They no show him. Not use your pikin say punish him. It's not good. Some men, they suffer, really. Some men, they suffer because they know they see their children. And beneath the tell me parable say, oh, behavior our back. Their eye, their mind, they boil. Because they know they feel they see their love. Because now, if you remove pikin for person hand, but for like me, now if person remove my children from my hand, I will just say, oh, me, I just come up for this life. What here they find they go. Now, so it still be for them. So not be said because of they give you that opportunity, say the children go they stay with you. You just they do upper, no mega, not let the man see no, it's not good. It's not good because I they still say some women they talk say I not fit do anything now. If the court tell me say me I make the children go see their father, I go say make them go see him. No, now you supposed to say tell court say I want make my children they see their father. Because the way when you take talk, na so they'll take put leg. I don't want make my children they without say they don't see their father. Even though say now once a week, maybe the man they walk. Okay, good and fine. The children don't they happy say, I see daddy today. See what daddy buy for me. It dey very nice. Oh, not be only what mommy do for me, what mommy do for me. No, what daddy do for me. It dey very important also. It dey very, very important. I can't beg our women. I use God to beg una. I use God to beg una. Una children, they need their father also. I know say some men go say, if the children grow, then go find me. Some men they suffer, then go suffer, then go try to, by all means, call the family of the women, the woman. The woman not the here. Sister, you dey damage your children. If they grow, not to say they go love you, na lie, because you know that love where they get for their father, you don't let them expire. Now the truth they expire because they build this love. You go they build them all the time. If you grow with your father and your mother, you go know say that love it tight well. But once you can't grow with your mother, the day when you go see your father, it go be like a stranger to you. It go be like maybe not your friend. Because that love not there. Who cause her? Now that person will not allow the children, that pikin go to see father or go to see mother. Especially women and they talk to, because for abroad for here, now women and they give children. I beg una. Mona know they do that thing to our children. They have fed them well. You can see some children, they nervous with that. You just tell them small thing. You go just they nervous. The way we go tell the talk self. You go as a mother, you know says there is something wrong. Unless say you don't be mother where they watch, where they think, where they say this pikin not be so a bit before. Maybe get what they tell them for school also. They go, your father know they come, they pick you for school. Now only your mother, now they come. Now no say that thing. Children go they think You go even ask the mother say, why daddy not come they pick me? The mother go come to her. No, your daddy did so place, you know they get time. He go call ask the mother say, no they get time, Monday to Monday, no they get time. Even on Christmas Day, no they come. Even my birthday, you know, those things. Children will just come and they go come, they ask you all those questions. When children don't start to they ask you small questions, you know say there is something wrong. They tell them for school because then they're friends. Then they talk. I beg my sisters then, especially those who are waiting for Jamie. I beg una because the law where they say they there. When you don't say you be single mother, the children they don't give out to you. Now only you now can't get the right. It's very bad. If not only you want to get the right, remember say na person give you belle. Remember that one say na person I still give you belle. Because not be saying now you give yourself belle. Now person I be the papa of those children. No matter what he do you, no matter what he happen between two of una, just package jam. Think about the children first. Because some of us, because me and the woman also, we too they think about us. We go that our thing, we all they think about us. Wait till you do me, I not go forgive her. Lie, you not go put love for this house. I don't want to see you for my life again. Okay, good and fine. You don't want to see her for your life. About the life of the children, you must see her. That's how it be. Even the day when the children go even do marriage, you know, two of them go still stand for them. Even though say you don't marry another man. When they go call the father, call the mother, you two go still see each other. Why people not, some people not they use sense, say they do all these things. I don't know. Some children then they suffer for these things, And some men still they when be say their wife go they call them or their ex-wife go they call them say, come see your children. Come see your children. It go they prospuna. It go they prospuna, brother. That's the way you they do. The love where your pikin get for you, now you they damage. As it be for man, that's so it be for woman side. Because some men, they just get that thing for brain, say, waiting this woman do me, I'm not go forgive her. The children, they go come, they pay for it. The children go, they pay for it, which is very bad. And me, I don't know what those children do now. I don't know what those children, what they do. I know they pay you, say, you know, they see your pikin. Your pikin not offend you. You know, being tell you say may you even born and say born me. But as you don't born and come out now, that love we're supposed to get, father love, you destroy him. Because of say the woman do you something. Why you go do that thing, brother? Let me benite can make parable say, I am no man. You know no picking what go do for you tomorrow. You know no. So men just say like that when they go born for another person, you can't born for them. Now only that children when that person born for and now you go they take care of. You go forget that one when the other another one fell born for her. Because of say he with his ex-wife get misunderstanding, he go abandon the pikin. Anything will concern that pikin, no one concern him again. It's very bad. It's very bad, eh? Sit down, make you think and say that pikin not do you anything. Not being tell you say may you born me. Brother, try by all means go they see your pikin. I not say may you go see your ex-wife. Your pikin now you day after. Otherwise, that love will that father love, it go cut. Once he cuts, he know they see you as a father again. He go come they see you as another person we not know before. Why it go be like that? Because this love, now when they're this small, now you go grow. You go grow together. You go grow together. But once you don't cut that love come out, you cut them. The love don't come out, so it don't go. It don't go, especially when they grow come out, when they grow come, you not date their life. They don't reach 18 years, they don't need you again. They don't need you again, nothing where you go feel do again. When that love go come back, it they add. Because that love when they get, they will come pass on to their girlfriend. Before you know, they don't get their girlfriend. They don't even know whether they exist again. Because you not build that love the time when they're this small. Like say you build that. They'll still work out small. They'll say, let me call my daddy. He go call you. Let me call my mother. He go call you. Now that one be the love where they get. Because when that love not there, you know they feel am. You know they feel like, but they see you as person where you just know. Maybe yesterday or the day before yesterday. You go they think like that. I can't beg una. I beg, brother. If your ex-wife do you something, no use your pikin say now your pikin go pay for that damage. No. What about those women doing everything to? You see, they now they talk so. You see, they some men they now make me talk and say some men they suffer for women for women hands. They go do everything. Make sure to see that pikin, especially for this abroad. They call police for them. You go call up Balek come for them. And nobody want make get donation for body. Because once they don't donation you, now so that they write your paper down, up and down, that they do write down, up and down. Before they'll come tell you, say, no enter this area again. It there. Now that one I felt obvious now. Some men they suffer for women because of say they get children. Both sides, more than beg. Because of the story where I hear, where person tell me, I was like, how person will stay 3 years, you don't see your pikin. 3 years. Then they the same country for there. Not be say maybe they for Italy, the other one they for Spain. The same. Now only say they not there for the same city. I pity for because me I don't want to hear what happen for between two of them. No, I don't want to hear that one. Now that children, 9 million they important. It's very, very important to you to see your pikin. More I know they tell them and they know they see their pikin. Because some people, their brain, get with the way they think. A good man sit down, say, okay, this thing, no, this marriage not gonna work now. Okay, maybe and you, maybe we divide, maybe we share Gary. But since pikin there, now go talk the way this one will take come they see this one because normally na woman and they give pikin for abroad. Okay, the children go they stay with me, but I beg when they see them. Simple as ABC. Now good pass one and come they quarrel, come they fight each other. And from today, I don't want to see you for my children life again. No, sister, not be only you one born now. Now 2 of una born now 50-50. More na the reason na 50-50. It not say me you not go marry another man or friend another man, but those children na in blood. Why you go talk say he no go like see again? And the man, some men go come verse. You go come verse. You go say, I know they do again. When the children grow up, they go find me. But if the children grow up, the love not there again. Don't finish. The love don't go. The love don't go. Because this love, go to a when na grand now. When they grow, come out. When they grow, now the love they go they build down. Go they build down. Because when you not build that love, marry, you don't finish. You don't finish. Then you'll see some children when they don't grow. Anything where concern the father, you not concern them. You go able to see your father just they suffer, they go. But the way they grow, come out, now that one. It dey like that, and then you not take care of a mother or a father. You not take care. Because you go say you not dead the time where they grow, come out, the time where they grow. So mother not let all these things dey inside una like that. Say I go suffer this man because of what he do you. But those children, what he concern them? You not concern them before. You not concern them. I don't know why they come they put them for his side. They come they put those children for his side, which is very, very bad, my brothers and sisters. It is very bad. I use God to beg both men and women where they pass all this through, where they pass like the way I just they talk. So if you they pass some, I beg more than use my brain to settle na self because of those children. I not say more can't they play a game, no. But as we now they see picking one are born, it is very important. It is very, very important. As it is for man, as well it is for woman, but especially women. Now they do all these things pass. Especially women. Because if you go sit down, go they check, you go they look at, especially women, go say, no, I tell them make conscience, you know one conscience, from today, may you not come again. No. If you not come that moment, maybe, well, I know say some people, the way they take the vest, they're different, Maybe that time when the thing, they pay now, go say, I don't want to see anybody again. Then when the man go still come back, say, I want to see my pikin, open door. Tell them, say, you are free. Come open door, may go see your children. The best, not be say quarrel. Because once una they quarrel, those children, they know they like to sit una together. If they affect them, where? Not to say no, they affect them, say then they okay, or then they wear fine shoe, you they carry them go McDonald's. No, if they affect them. Because then they see their friends, say their father, they come, they pick them for school. Their father, they buy a gift, come, they give them. But for you know they see, now only your own they see. So I use God to beg both men and women. Wallah, one and they let on children, they pass something like that. It's very bad. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. I use God to beg men and women. I know say some still there for Italy like that, but not for Germany. Now they say many pass. It's very bad because of say you want to be single mother. Problem not they be single mother, but allow your husband or your ex-husband make on they see the children. Allow them. Not tell them not come they see them. Because tomorrow you go your pikin go put pepper for your eye also. Now the truth, because the love you not let them. You know, because it's like as I tell talk and say you know that love we're supposed to get for a father, you lock her down. You lock the love down. Love not there between you with the man. Okay, if it happen, you will go your own, I go my own. But since pikin don't dey inside, we now settle that one. The way we now take the exchange them. If maybe weekend they'll come stay your side, okay. Maybe 2 days they'll go stay for there, Saturday and Sunday. Then on Sunday night, on Friday evening they'll go stay for a father place. Then on Sunday evening they'll call your place because now your place now then they now from there then they'll go school. Or the man go carry them go school on Monday morning. Those things they're very easy. So therefore they'll still they see their father say, now my daddy carry me go school today. We sleep for my dad. They'll still they talk with their friends. Not be only my mommy cook this thing, my mommy carry us go McDonald's. If father no they carry and go. The father no dey cook for am, e no dey carry am go school. E dey very, very important. If you not sit down on a think am, e dey very, very important. The man make present for his children life. And so it still be for the mother. And so it still be. Because everyone might be more. Now the two they born those children. It dey very, very important. If you be man where they do like that, where say your wife with your ex-wife go they tell you, say, come see your pikin, brother. You know they go. Not they just get time for your brain. Say, wait till you do that pikin. If he grow, maybe you think say if he grow, he go come find you. He not find you. He not go find you. He not go find you. This one not be children when they born for Nigeria. Now no say Nigeria now. Okay, may I go find my father. This side they not care. They not go find you. He not go find you. And that love you don't destroy him. Because some men is still there for their body. Where they no want, they no go see their pikin, go say, they get chance. Which kind of chance you not get? For your blood, you not get chance. Which time you want to come take get chance? Who you want to give that chance if you don't get them for your pikin? You can't get them for your girlfriend. You can't get them for your girlfriend. Mona beg, mona change, mona change. Because our children, we don't want to make something they hurt them. It is very bad. Mona not they hurt them because they not send on a message. They not send on a. Now two of una now say, I love you. Now make una say together now born pikin. Maybe the love don't off now. Now come say, okay, as it be now let me want go train my pikin. May you go, I don't need you again. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Because some women they do like that also. You go say, na me born my pikin. What you concern you for inside yourself? And you be say you be father. Which kind of your father you be? You know all these things. I go even train my pikin. Only you want train your pikin. Go say yes. Now only you want trainer. Pikin where person train. You get as it be. Too often if you not trainer, you see they get problem. Really, if papa and mama then train pikin. You see they get problem. Talk let us say only one ain't trainer. No the big problem where go get. Big one. Because he go come they grow, go come they grow, go come they see people. You go they see father and mama with papa, that they carry another person, they go school, that they play with them. Now only one. You not see person when now only he with him mother and they walk up and down. Now only him mother they play with. They play with papa. All these things, it's very bad. Mona not use una hand till they destroy una thing. Because that one a person will use the hand to destroy in children's life. Now you can see some of them, they'll come carry them go, all this thing waiting they come, when they go do therapy. Say they hear words. Some children they like that, you can't they stubborn well. If you not stubborn like that, now waiting they pass through, like us. You can't stubborn, they hear what. If you tell them somebody sit down for them and lie, they behave one kind. You go can't get that hot temper because of everything where don't put for inside brain. They see papa or they see in mama. It they be like that. Mona beg. I beg una, I beg mother. All mothers, mona not use way to na ex-husband or na boyfriend do una. Say una want you go pay for her. You must pay for what you do. Me now can't put pikin for inside. It dey bad though. It dey bad. Not be good. You they do for your pikin. Now the truth, they do good. They help your pikin. You they damage jam. You don't know. You they damage jam for one corner. Even though say you go buy Versace, you now Versace shoe. Now Versace complete. Now they wear. Inside brain. Now we they talk about inside brain. You don't damage her. As it be for father, and so it be for mother. And so it be. But especially mothers. I beg. I use God to beg una. I use God. Baba God to beg una. So my people, I just give una this message because of waiting somebody tell me, I was like, oh my God, person no fit stay for good 3 years. You go say you not see your pikin for waiting now. Let me say the pikin dey for Naija, e dey with you for the same country. Because one woman like that, because una no dey play again, go say no, you no fit see am, go pass through judge. Now the time when I born, I'm on a citizen. Judge dey there, lawyer dey there. One and not sit down, more two of una do am together. Una go sit down, do am together. Na good pass, because when a lawyer, judge don't enter, all these things, you go come get as it be. They'll come they tell you the time when, okay, now only 1 hour you fit take here. I been only 2 hours you fit take here. Why you not do am with una? Una do am between two of una for them. Because when they'll come enter inside, now you will come they look at the time. They say na 2 hours. If the 2 hours still pass, problem don't still come. The best thing, more than they do am between two of una. I don't want to do again with you, okay? Those children now, see the way we will take the one. Is it okay for you? Mona make sure so now see agreement. Mona make sure so now see like the agreement go there and do where be woman. If the man not there the country where you there, maybe you go find work for another country and you want make they call the children. So women not they give their children phone. You know, he go say not come here again, not try and call this number again. And you know, say the man not fit, he not fit talk to his children without now through your phone. I go call pikin where they maybe like 5 years or 6 years. You know they use phone. You go say no call this number again. If you call this number, you go just block him. When you block the man, where if you know go fit they contact the children again. Another problem don't still come for them. I use God to beg everybody. As he there for man, as well still there for woman. Now the truth, as it there for man, now so it there for woman. But as me tell the talker, now especially those women, now with the women, now we get that mind where I go suffer you, I go put pepper for your eye. Because you know, say, the children don't deal with her. You go use and say, you not go see those children. I go block you for everywhere. You go block them for everywhere. The man go there, you know, see you. As I want to talk to my children. Mona not they do that thing at all. Mona not they do one. Mona they try to they take una children say, oh yeah, Mona come ready. Now go see una father. I know say some men they just see their children. They go say, I'm not there. I want travel. I want go this one. No, they do one. No, they do one. Because the way you tell they do one, your children they write am for their brain. The day where you go say maybe the woman say, okay, maybe we go see our daddy. The children now go come talk and say, we don't want to see that man. They'll come tell you so, that man. They don't say daddy again. We don't want to see that man. You see? Once children don't they talk like that, you know, say, hey, you don't they go. You don't they go. Mona try, Mona make the love they there. Make the love they there. Make grow with you now. If you there maybe like Italy, try maybe Friday like this, you just go see the children. If now once a month, try to be doing that one. Then you go they call them for all the time. You make them understand, say you they work for this side. Not be say you just abandon them. You not go care. Nothing. Men. Some men they do this thing, because another person don't born for them. The children were fair born before. You not care again. If they go eat, if they go nothing, not even care again. It's still there like that. I know. They not care again. The woman go try to do everything by all means. The man, you not concern her again. The pikin where fair born. It dey very bad, It dey very, very bad. As it be for this side, and so it be for this side, my people. Walao, mona beg. Me our children, because nobody want make pikin where born. Make on they pass all this stress. This life, stress dey well. Stress up boy. Then we'll constantly use our hand take cause them more stress. It dey bad. It dey very, very bad. My brothers and sisters, may I leave una. God go bless una. I hope this message make some people still pick am. May they take and do something. Mona pick am. Mona not take and say maybe this one not be this one not be message na real message. Sit down, make you take am. The time when you dey grow come, maybe you grow with your father and your mother. If you like say your mother not there or your father not there, you know say that love you go get as e be. Na the truth, you go get as e be. Na make some people if maybe the mother not trainer, when you go lost the mother, e go be like say no even nothing happen. It dey happen like that. It go be like say nothing happen. Or maybe father the father not there in life the time when he grow come reach where he dey so, and he come lost the man. You not go even see him for his eye say he lost anything, because not be fault. He not get that love. He don't know whether they exist. He don't know whether he just say you be my father or maybe you be my mother. Finish. But that love not there. That love not there. You'll see many of us now for this abroad. Before your mother, because you know say your mother with your father, now they train you. The love they there. Before they will call you, say la money not this for to eat. You don't send down, go give her. You go just run, go send down, go give her. Why you they do it? Now because of that love. But if the love not there, you not even care. He eat he not eat he not concern you. He not concern you. Because the time when you they grow come, he not there your life. So the same thing. That make me, I can see some people now, they say, see the mother just they suffer. If you see a mother now suffer one kill now, but if you see pikin get money, they'll say no, they remember a mother. Not to blame her, not to blame her. If you sit down tell you as he take grow, you go see say not be fault, because that love not there. They say okay, may I go give my mother or may I go give my father? You know they. Because really pikin wey papa with him mama stand together to make sure say he can't grow up. That love they there. Not the person go tell her say go give your mother food or your father food. Not the person go tell her. Now that love go just they give her say I want buy this cloth, go give my mother, I go fit her. I want buy this shoe, go give my father, I go fit her. You know. Now that love now they push you, they tell they do it. But if the love not there, don't finish. So I beg una, mona beg, mona beg, mona go dey see una children. No matter waiting, mona make the children understand. Say two of una not dey again, but it not mean say that is una not there for the life of una children again. That one na forever. Una dey there forever for the children. Una make them understand. Say we dey here for una. But I will say we not come they friend each other or we not they marry again, not concern una. But mona still they know. And you will be woman, not they talk bad about that man. Say, that's your father. No, say some women sabi doing. You go spoil the man. You go spoil her. Hi. All that things where you they tell your children, it dey for inside brain, it dey damage them. Even though say the man a bad head. Not tell your pikin say your ex-husband a bad head. They tell her something where you know wetin you know say no go affect her. If they tell you say why daddy no want come, you go say na because of say no get chance. So especially if na the man no want come they see pikin. No put something bad for inside your pikin head. And not tell her say your papa na bad head though. Now because he don't born another pikin. You know say we women we sabi talk. I know say it not easy, but if you dey talk something bad to your father, it go dey affect the children, the pikin also. It dey affect them. It go dey affect them. Go dey affect them. You know, no. You know the thing say maybe you dey tell them better thing. No. Try to understand the way you take talk to your pikin, where you not go damage something for inside your brain. It dey hurt them. It dey make them they do one time for school. It dey make them they behave like say their brain not correct. No, not be their fault. Now wetin we will be adults. Wetin we put for their brain. Like concussion. Life not easy to live. We can't use our hands. See they put another one journal. Now so my people, me I live una today na Sunday. I don't want to take una time like that. I just say me I just rush, breathe this thing, come and talk to our people, our brothers and sisters. We see they pass through these things. I beg brother, I beg sister, because of the sake of your children. If you dey verse before, throw away that verse. Throw away, not the way person on the see for this life. marriage fit end at any time. If fit end, even boyfriend and girlfriend, maybe now your baby mama, you never marry am, but e no mean say the friendship with your pikin you wan just cut am because of say the woman say no dey do again, or because of say the man no dey do again. I use God take beg una, mona beg, mona still think and say this thing wey I wan do, so e go still affect you also, because e go affect you, because e wan affect your pikin. If your pikin not fine, say e no dey okay, you as a mother, you go still dey run up and down. Maybe they come tell you say e need therapy, e need this one. Now you go still dey carry and they go, and you go still dey do this one, run up and down. So now just a small message for everybody. I greet the house. God bless you all as you come. Now do well. Now bye bye. Have a nice day. Happy Sunday again. Watch out. Bye bye.